So today we're sowing romaine lettuce. I'll show you my other video, but romaine's really the choice to go with for me. It just does so much better. It's way more productive. It's a good lettuce. It's hardy lettuce. Handles the heat down here pretty well. Handles the cold, and it really produces. And when you get into a kind of a continuous harvest mode where you're cutting off the bottom leaves and continuing to let the plant grow, I've just not found anything better than romaine in terms of productivity. Doesn't mean there isn't one, but you'll see in one of my other videos I tried 5 or 6 different varieties and none produce like the romaine does. So today I'm just sowing. I'm going to probably oversow a little bit, probably put 2 seeds per cell. These seeds are getting a little older, so they don't germinate quite like they did when I first got them when they were fresh. But you get so many seeds per packet that you just don't want to kind of waste them, just throw them away. Kind of going quick here, a little bit messy. And seeds ourselves on this once. With that many, helping resistant live romaine quite a few people. Once you start fresh like this, they start to off. All right, so we're finishing up here. Do roughly 2 seeds per cell. And that one slipped away. All right, so put these away. Put them back in the package. Some are falling. Alright. So normally you'll see I label these, but I know these are all romaine lettuce seeds, so I'm not going to worry about it. Do a little tidying up. Some of them are sitting on these cells. Alright, now, like normal, oops, gonna soak them. Put the plastic here so it doesn't get on the wood table. This is a very old antique table, so it's not too worried about it getting damaged. It's actually handles the water pretty well. I do this so I spray them from the top, and then the sponges will absorb this water from the bottom. I mentioned it a bunch of times on other videos, but you almost can't have too much water in this first 24 to 36 hours. You want them completely saturated right now. This seedling's gonna absorb the water, and it's gonna start the germination process. Once the radicle shoots out, that first root, taproot, radicle, that's when you start to back off on the water. I will just cover these and put them by the windowsill for now. Once they start to grow, I will put them in underneath lights. Well, you can see I've made a mess, but I'll clean that up. So we've got them watered, covered, sitting by the window. Still noon time here, so this afternoon this will get some light in here. It'll heat it up a little bit. I would expect either tomorrow morning to start seeing some action on the roots popping out, or the next day. We'll come back when they start.